She just pointed the gun at the helicopter. Did she shoot around them? Yeah, she's still on. I got her.
She's right there. She still got the gun or not?
Yeah.
Drop it! Hey, drop the gun! Okay, hey, do each other! Hey, listen, you're fine, don't go point! Drop it! Drop the gun!
She points, I think I'm at double.
Hey, shoot! Okay, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Throw the gun! Throw the gun to the side! Don't reach for the gun! Don't reach for the gun! Don't do it! Okay, start walking to your side! Start walking to your side! No! Over the van! Come over here! Hey, start walking toward me away from the gun! Turn around! Hey, ma'am, just come over here! Walk away from the gun!
The gun is by the bag, right?
By the bag, yes. Ma'am, walk to your side! Just leave everything there! Walk to your side! Walk to your side! Now walk to your side! Move up. Hey, we're moving up! We're moving up!
Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground!
You're fine, don't point! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop it! Point it! Hey, shoot!
Down!
Okay, drop the gun! Drop it! Turn around! Turn around! Don't point! Drop it! Drop the gun!
She points, I think I'm at double.
Hey, shoot! Okay, drop the gun!
The gun! Drop the gun!
Hey, listen, you're fine, don't go point! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop it! Hey, shoot!
Down!
Okay, drop the gun! Drop it! Turn around! Turn around!
Haven't already responded and have them staged. Wilshire and Alvarado.
Oh shit, she got shot! God damn! Don't piss on there!
Got it. Go for it. Go for it.
Fuck you, aim that.
Accounted for. The woman appeared to be okay physically, but then she ran into the lake swam over to the island. Let's show you some earlier video of when she was actually waiting in the lake near the island. She had a backpack and a purse. She reached in her backpack and started throwing a bunch of papers in the water and acted extremely agitated. We really hated to see that she actually picked up rocks and killed 2 ducks in the course of this standoff. Now, after all of that, she swam into the middle of the lake, and then she came over to the docks over here. She dropped her purse and backpack. LAPD finally moved in, and they took that away from her, and then she just kind of acted casually and tried to leave the park on her own volition. That's when LAPD finally moved in. Let's show you the video of her being taken into custody. So more than 3 hours, they just put her in the back of an ambulance to check her out, and before they file the charges against her. So we still have Alvarado and Wilshire shut down, but LAPD will hopefully start to break this scene down and reopen the park shortly. Live at Sky 2 overhead, I'm Desmond Shaw. Pat, back to you in the studio.
All right, Desmond Shaw, thank you so much for that.